Scatter plots. Scatter plots create a visual manner by which data points can be observed. Scatter plots demonstrate the distribution of two related measurements. They are relatively simple to create, and they provide excellent information for the observer. The idea is to be able to look at the trend. When you have a table of numbers, we cannot see the trend because of the numbers. In the scatter plot, we can observe the distribution without being confused by the numbers. When I was working on my dissertation, I had some interesting graphs showing calculated lines. One of them is shown here. One of the members of my committee looked at me and said, "You really should include the data points in each of these, as it will give the reader a better chance of seeing the distribution." Back then, these were all hand-drawn, and adding the points took a rather long time, but the end result was well worth it. This starts out with a type of diagram using Cartesian coordinates to show values for two variables of a data set. You set up Cartesian coordinates with your x and y axis. The x is the horizontal line and the y is the vertical. When choosing these, the x normally represents the independent variable, that which you are changing. The y represents the dependent variable, or that which you are measuring. Time is always the independent variable. Let's look at a distribution of numbers. Suppose we have the number set, and this is the number set we used in the other group. When you plot this, you will get a scattering of the data points along this. You can see in this particular case, we've ranked them from low to high. You could rank them from high to low. From low to high, you see increasing values. From high to low, you see decreasing values. Here's a scatter plot where things have been placed along the graph. Can you see the trend? This graph represents points that are increasing in value as the independent variable increases in value over time. You can then determine the mathematical relationship between these. Also, always look for the trend, and it will give you information about the relationship of your data. Therefore, scatter plots are a very easy way to make general observations about trends that occur within data sets.